The sum of three numbers is 96. The second number is 3 times the first, and the third number is 2 less than the second. Form and solve an equation to find the third number. Let the first number be x. So the first number is x. The second number is 3 times the first. So we write that in algebra as 3x. This means 3 times x. And then the third number is 2 less than the second. So the third number will be 3x, and then we'll have to take away 2 from it. When we add these together, we get 96. So again, collecting the like terms, so we've got x plus 3x plus 3x, which makes 7x. We've still got the minus 2, is equal to 96. The opposite of subtracting 2 is to add 2 to both sides. So this is my equation I have to solve. So that gives it 7x is equal to 98. And then I have to divide both sides by 7 to get that x is equal to 14. Now the third number is this one, 3x minus 2. So it means I'm going to have to write that this is going to be 3 times 14, take away 2. 3 times 14 is 42, take away 2. And therefore the third number would be 40. Okay, so there's been a video to show you how to form and solve an equation given a problem about 3 different numbers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.